Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Printing in Python. Introduction. Printing is one of the fundamental aspects of programming, and Python makes it easy to display information on the screen. In this tutorial, we'll explore various ways to print text and variables in Python, along with code examples to help you understand the concepts. When you run this code, it will display "Hello, Python" in the console. This will output "Hello, Alice" by concatenating the variable name with the surrounding text. This will display name, Alice age, 30 with spaces between the items. This will produce the same output as the previous example. The \n represents a new line, \t represents a tab, and \\/ represents a single backslash. This code will write the text to a file named output.txt instead of the console. This will display "Hello, World" on the same line. Conclusion. Printing is a crucial aspect of Python programming, allowing you to display information to users and debug your code. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of printing text and variables, formatting strings, printing special characters, and redirecting output to a file. With these techniques, you can effectively communicate with users and make your Python programs more interactive. ChatGPT.